chicken wings. Don't want to run nobody belly, you know. I lost weight.
5 is better. Sugar's better.
Okay.
Kidney's great. Low is.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at Costco. The other day I came in here and I got some chicken breast. I thought I was getting some chicken wings. So now I'm about to return it. So I want you guys to come along with me and just spend the day with me today. The chicken wings here. No, this is my chicken breast. I thought it was chicken wings and I accidentally got this. So I'm about to go return it, and I'll probably pick up a couple items in here because I know I need the chicken wings. I don't have much space in my refrigerator, but I'm gonna drop this off, get my money back, and then pick up some more items. So we're in Costco and I'm just gonna look to see if I see anything interested that I want. I don't know, I love Costco, but I know when Costco sponsors me because I always in here at shop. I just love Costco, and because I have a big family, I love you can get some good deals up in here. What's this now? Something to 119. I mean, I'll go buy. Right, just so. Get some of this. And let's see what the card. I hurt my foot the other day upon the job. This right in the back in there. Up here. I'm gonna get this. I'm trying to watch what I'm eating. I try to lose weight. So I'm gonna try to watch what I eat. Pick up some healthy stuff. Nothing too sweet. So now we're about to go in the refrigerator. Get some of this because I can put this in my salad. Right here. I'm getting just one pack of this. I really love this. Let me show you. Roboton. And I think that's it. That's all I need in here. Like, I don't really like strawberry like that, and I'm trying to stay away from the grapes. I think I have a lettuce too, so I don't want no lettuce. So that's it. Let's go. Grab up the chicken wings. So I just got the wings, guys, and for the wings, $30. $30 for the wings. Pay everything I have. I'm gonna go to my yard. I have some stuff that I have to do. So 8 items. So I returned my chicken wings and I got a couple more items, some snacks for me to snack on because I'm trying to watch what I eat. So now I'm about to go get gas for my car, and then after that I'll be heading home to do a couple chores and to prepare dinner and stuff like that. Home, I'm about to start packing out these groceries. So I scheduled a doctor appointment because listen, my hip is hurting so bad, and it's so crazy. My hip is so hurting, like really hurting. When I walk I can feel all this pain. I'm like, yo, something not right. So I scheduled a doctor appointment. So I'm gonna pack out the grocery, put them in the fridge, try to season up the chicken wings, and do some chores, and then I go. My appointment is at 2:30. So
Lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. Talking us lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
So I have some garlic, salt. I'm gonna use this. It was ready. Ventus, pimento. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah. Now I run nobody belly, you know. But I can't see the curry powder. I'm running for my eye. It's in here dark, but I can't see. Me no wanna run nobody belly. Guys, so this is how it's looking right now. And I'm gonna do my other chores in the bathroom, and then when I get back from my doctor's appointment, you know, I'll. My alarm is going. I'm gonna spray up here. Fabuloso to wash the sink. Run out because it's 2:30 and my appointment is at 2:30, so I have to stop cleaning the bathroom and just run just to go hear my test result, because I did my blood test, you know, to find out if my blood sugar. So I'm gonna go to the doctor right now to find out if my blood sugar went down. So I'm gonna go there and pick up the result. And I'm here in the lobby, so you know I don't want to be too low because my neighbor is my baby. I lost weight. I lost 6 pounds. The last time I here I was 181, and now I am 174. I'm happy, but my test I feel some pain. Lord, so I really want to know like what's causing this pain. If I pull a muscle or something, but I tell us the pain terrible. Anyway guys, I'm waiting on the doctor, so I'll catch up with you guys.
And glucose is 105 is better, sugar's better.
Okay.
Kidney's great. Low is good, blood salt's fine. Liver's great. And your A1C is better. It's A1C is down to 6.4 is better.
Wow.
You got your pre-diabetic blood cells great. And your we checked your cholesterol, put a smile face. Cholesterol is 169 and the bad LDL 93 is okay. So it's low risk heart attack. How about that?
That's nice.
Okay. And the ApoB, which is a new test for bad cholesterol from the European Union of Cardiology, is okay, under 90, and your number was 77. So a big smile.
Oh.
So you still have pre-diabetes. So right, you still pre-diabetes, but better.
Okay.
So we'll check A1C and the fasting insulin. So this blood work hails from 9/18, so we'll do it around right before Christmas, 12/20/24. I'll write a script for it.
Okay.
But I'm going to tell you about two exciting concepts.
Okay.
One, I ripped off from the British Medical Journal, Dr. Kaufman's British Medical Journal food plate. And number two, mindful eating on the program www.amihungry.com, the method of Michelle May. I'll give you the synopsis. Be right back. The American food plate is the stupidest food plate in the world. Why? It's because it says quarter of your plate protein, I agree. It says 5 servings of grains or bread, dumb. It says 5 servings of vegetables, including potatoes that are carbs. And it says 5 servings of fruit that are all carbs. It's a 70% carb diet that my colleague at a lecture said, standard American diet spells SAD, sad. It'll kill you. Instead, I ripped off from a beautiful article of the British Medical Journal this intelligent food plate, which I recommend. And I'm going to add on the vegetable side coleslaw. Coleslaw is made out of cabbage and carrots with a little mayo, and it's very healthy for you.
Okay.
A quarter of your plate should be a protein, a meat, fish, eggs, or cheese. Only a quarter should be carbs, like bread, sugar, all fruit, potatoes, corn, rice, pasta, beans, and bananas. So lower the amount of carbs. So a sandwich is no good. It's because like 70 or 80% bread.
Okay.
The non-starchy veggies will be your coleslaw, salads. I like to get the spring mix with spinach that's organic, so I don't get pesticides. Greens, spinach, kale, onions, celery, carrots, mushrooms, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and of course Brussels sprouts. If you eat this pattern, you're going to have better sugars next time we check your blood sugars. But most important is this page. That I've made a synopsis of the work of Dr. Michelle May. Years ago, I was a licensed facilitator, www.amihungry.com. It's a mindful eating program. She has a hunger fullness scale where 5 is satisfied. The concept is you want to fuel your body so that you fill it with just the right number of calories that your body needs. We call it in science isocaloric, the perfect number of amount of food, not hypercaloric, that's too much food, or hypocaloric, that's not enough. So think of a fuel tank. A fuel tank is a fixed size, and when you fill it up, you need 10 gallons. In goes 10 gallons, and it quickly stops filling up. It knows when it's full. A human stomach, though, is different. Why? Because of this. Years before farming started, we were hunter-gatherers. So we ate every 2 to 3 days. We needed a fuel tank, the stomach, that expanded in size so we could stuff ourselves because we weren't going to eat for 2 to 3 days. And we needed not to feel hungry right away so we could keep eating. So that's why there's a delay of feeling full when you eat. So to fuel your stomach fuel tank, you have to follow this great method of Dr. May. The hunger fullness scale, 5 is satisfied. You don't feel the food in your stomach. A 4, slight hunger pangs. A 3 is hungry. 2, starving. 1, ravenous. On the other side of the scale, the higher numbers, a 6 is I'm full. I feel food in my stomach, but I don't feel upset about it. Very full is a 7. Discomfort is an 8. 9 is dissatisfied, and 10 is sick to your stomach. So she says, as you become used to recognize your hunger with the scale, you'll see there are different levels of hunger. They will help you decide when to start eating and when to stop. Use the hunger fullness scale to identify your hunger 3 times before, during, and after eating. So the take-home message is only eat If you are hungry, eat an amount of food such that you are satisfied, number 5, and you cannot feel the food in your stomach 10 minutes after finishing a meal. Now, there's the concept of head hunger. That's when you have a desire to eat, but you are not hungry, so don't eat, and instead work on your true needs. So that could be, what could that be for you? Anger, tired, bored?
Yeah, when I'm angry, I feel like I stress eat.
Yeah,
Like if
so
I'm upset, I start eating.
So stress eating is not to nourish yourself. So
Okay.
punch a pillow instead, or work
Yeah.
on your true needs.
Okay.
Now she has in her program, all foods fit, because you're eating and you're stopping when you just don't feel any food in your stomach. She has a cute little rule of 4 reallys. If you really want a certain food, like you're craving for chocolate or whatever, eat, I always say grace, number 1, and number 2, eat it first. Because if you want that piece of cake, guess what? You would eat it after the meal and you'll be extra stuffed.
Okay.
So our idea is, number 1, mindful eating. Only eat if you're hungry, and don't eat if you're not hungry. If you have a desire to eat and you're not hungry, ask yourself why and work on your true needs. Also, at the end of the meal, 10 minutes later, you want to not feel the food in your stomach, so you have perfectly fueled your body in a scientific isocaloric way. And then anytime you exercise or move during your day, you burn fat. Okay? And if you undereat and you starve yourself and diet, you are starving yourself, you burn your muscle mass, and you slow your metabolism, then it's harder to lose weight. Does this make sense, this concept?
Yes.
And lastly, yours truly, Dr. Kaufman, went from 210 pounds to my current 150 by following these principles.
Wow, that's good.
Okay, so there you go. Have a great day.
Thank
Well,
you.
okay.